Randy, for taking time out of your busy schedule to sit down with the Collective 9. Of course, we've already kind of shot some footage and gave you opportunity to talk a little bit about what you do and actually show people in your real space, the space that you're comfortable in, right? One of the questions that I've gotten from people and from watching the videos, and of course me being a city person, is really about the chickens, all of these chickens, and how do you determine which eggs are going to be become chickens versus the eggs that are going to be eaten? Like, how do you determine which ones are going to be used for what?
Okay, so of course, in order for an egg to become a chicken, or a chicken to come, for an egg to hatch, and if you to hatch that egg, there has to be a rooster present, so he can fertilize that egg. So the eggs are inside of the abdomen of the chicken, and so when he mates with her, that's how that egg becomes fertile, and then when you incubate that egg, it can become a chicken. Well, a chicken can come out of that egg, but if there is no rooster present, all those eggs are infertile, and you can just eat those eggs. You can eat the other ones as eggs if you catch it at a certain time, so you can't let it sit in the heat and things like that, or the embryo will start to develop.
That was a real city question, wasn't it?
Yeah.
you gonna ask me where do babies come from next, right? Please explore the collective9.org website and subscribe to the newsletter. Explore the site and make sure you check out Web TV.